How to transfer your information to Google Photo on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your information to Google Photo on Facebook Mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner, and now just go down, click settings and privacy, and then settings, and here just go down until you find download your information, click on it, and then and not this one, sorry, click this one, transfer a copy of your information, and then click next and select Google Photo, and then just manage here until you want and click next, and then just connect with your Google Photo, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.